Hello all, we have just now learned about the workspace. How can we take a components from workspace using a constant block where we can define the constant name as a variable and we are taking that variable stored in a workspace through command window. Okay, through command window we did that. So here you can see in a workspace A and B will be available. So give me a second, I'll just clear this CLC close to okay, fine. Now everything is closed there. I'll be go to that path where is this Matlab Simulink is shared. Okay. So now that same example you can see here as well, which is Excel to Workspace and Workspace to Excel. Now we can do. So I delete this constant now in front of you. I will take from Workspace block. Okay, I'll connect here. Take one more, connect on. I will give this name A and here B. Okay. So as you know, inside it we have a logic of A plus B ka whole square. And we have studied about that from and go to tags as well, where we can use. Now this is a from workspace and to workspace, and this C is going to workspace. Now our main motive is how can we take that A and B values from a Excel sheet. So here I'll create one Excel in front of you. Okay, I have created for sample, but I'll create one more in front of you now. Okay, now here if I want to insert some variable using a from workspace block, so there are some certain properties we have to be know that we have values in a time series. Okay, where we have to define the time series, then data, and again we have some dimension, then also we have to define the dimension as well. Okay, fine. So now in front of you in this Excel, this blank, nothing is there. So first I'll take a time underscore t underscore. I'm making in that way, or you can write directly time as well. What you want, you can write. That nothing concerned what you are writing here. Okay. So I'll do something. We'll take 4-5 inputs. Okay. Again, then A and B. So now everyone know how Excel will works. I think so, because you have worked in your college days and all these things. So this is my first row, where the row is 1 and column A, column B, column C, column D, column E, in that way that Excel naming convention should be happen. So if I am coming to the first block, so you can see here, this is my A column first row, so A1 came. If I am coming here, then this is a B column first row, B1. If I am coming down, then this is a A2. So A2, A3, A4, A5, it will go till what we want till that number, and this will also go till what we want till that there. Okay. After Z also it will start AZ, AY, AN. Then again AZ is finished, then it will start with BA, BB in that way. And it will also go till like so many digits. Okay. And there's no restriction in Excel where we can work. Okay, satisfied way. So I have taken a t underscore t underscore, that is for time, and A and B are the two variable. Okay, to take the data to the workspace, these we required. So first I will write a time. What's the time is this if I am providing here? So this is my sample time. There in a fixed configuration setting I have to do in a model, and I have to set there also the time. So if I'm coming here in a model, in model setting, I have to come here on model setting, configuration parameter. So this variable step I have to change to the fixed step, and this auto I will make a discrete. Now the solver details will come. Wait, it's fetching. Okay, it's take again variable. No, we want fix and discrete now. Okay, so instead of auto, I'll select this one as a discrete. Okay, and I'll give one fixed step size. We have already studied about a solver setting and time setting, so I'll be giving fixed step size in 0. apply, and open. Okay, and close this. Now I come to Excel sheet. So there is very important thing. The time will start with 0 first. Then it will go to 0.1. If we are starting with 0.1, 0.2, 0.3 in that way, then our first test case or our timing information should be may not be followed. So if in Excel you want some addition, then you can select that how many rows and you can take it down till here where you want. Okay, I will be taking 6, 7 as this. Okay, at 0, 0, I want to pass only 0 input, 0 output. It's my opinion. It doesn't deal with something big. So I'll write here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll again write here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So A value will be 5, B value will be 9. So 9 plus 5 is 14, 40 is 14 square. That will be the output, maybe, if you want. Or else you want like simple little things, and I'll make this 5 plus 5. Okay, I'll make this 5 plus 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 1 be 7. I'll change this 8 to the like 3 or something. 2 I'll take here, and I'll take 3, then 5 will become, and 1 I'll keep as it is. Okay, and we are storing the output in a C. But I'm not writing anything here. I want this thing should be written by the Matlab command. Okay, so now I'll save this Excel file. Okay, I'll save this Excel file. I have to save in that same path where it's previously saved. No, this I have created now. I will make it that Control S, save as this PC, where I will be having this on desktop, not document, desktop, books, Excel to Workspace. Here I'll write that input output sheet SLX IN out, IN underscore OUT out. I have given this name just frequently. You can give any name if you want to give something else. Okay, now I have written an Excel sheet, and then Excel sheet also in the same part. If I'm coming to the Matlab, you can see this is my model, this is my Excel sheet. Okay, I underscore all. Now it's required to write a script where we are like we require to the data from Excel sheet to Workspace. So here in a Matlab, in that from Workspace block, I have shown you we have required a data in a structure of time and dot data, and we have to define that is a time series data. So so how I will define, you can see A is equal to time series. So time series is the one of the kind of function. Okay, one of the kind of function is present in a Matlab predefined function. Now I want to enter A dot time. Okay, I want to enter A dot time where from SLS read. This is a command to take something from Excel sheet, to read something from Excel sheet and store in a workspace. So here I will using a single inverted comma. Here you can see by default it is giving me a name because it's in a same folder. That much kind of good options are in a Matlab. Now what I want, till what range I want, that range I have to give. So close this for the confusion. So this one will be, I want from A2 to A7, the time series. Okay, A2, I have to use this also again in single inverted comma. Okay, A2 to A7. Here I use the semicolon. Okay, now I'll just do A dot data. Okay, then same command I have to write SLS read. Okay, now again single inverted comma, I want same thing, comma. Now that data of A is present in B B22 on and colon B7. So if you want to see, I'll show you here. That same thing what I'll be saying, it's here only. So A data is present in a B22 B7. Now B data is present in a C3 to C7. Okay. So I have to again write the same thing. B is equal to, or I'll make some simplicity in front of you only. I'll just copy, Control C, Control V. I'll replace this A with B, A with B, A with B. Now time series will be column having same, but this column I have to change C2 to C7. Okay. So I'll save this Excel sheet. I'll in that same folder input underscore sc script. I'll write input sc imsc.m. Now if now I'll run this script, so there is nothing in a workspace. Okay, first of all I have to close the Excel sheet. For importing a data, there is no need to close the Excel sheet. You have to be saved. But for beta and safer side, we can close the Excel sheet. That will be the better thing. We will make the script for output as well. So where we want to put the output to the Excel sheet, so there is also one command slx write wri. So here we got that slx write. So in bracket, same Excel sheet I want. So I will be giving the same, then comma, and I have to write out dot c dot data. Okay, then comma, then again double inverted comma from D2 to D and 4. This is a script for to write something there. Okay, I'll save this and I'll make this out underscore sc output script. So these are the commands which we can run, okay, to get the outputs.